What's the meaning of clannish? Clannish. Clannish.
Clannish. Clannish. The word clannish refers to a group or community that is exclusive, tight-knit and often unwilling to accept outsiders. This term denotes a strong sense of loyalty and solidarity among members of the same clan or social group, which can often manifest as exclusion or discrimination towards those who are not part of the group. Such behavior can create an us versus them mentality, which may result in tensions or conflict with other communities. In short, clannish describes a community or group that is insular and exclusive.